One thing that needs to happen for any phone before it's launched is regulatory certification with various official bodies around the world, and that process appears to have started for the iPhone 13. Consumac, a French site, has spotted what appears to be the iPhone 13 range on a Eurasian Economic Commission database. There are a total of 7 model numbers that are listed in the list. While the iPhone 13 isn't mentioned by name, these are listed as Apple smartphones, and the numbering suggests they're newer models than the iPhone 12 range. With any upcoming consumer device, such filings are mandatory before it becomes available for purchase. We often learn hidden specs or other product details from the filing descriptions too. In the case of the new iPhone listing, the description says the smartphones run software version ISO 14, while Apple Insider says this information confirms the listing applies to variants of the forthcoming iPhone 13 range. We're more skeptical for a few reasons. First, we'd expect the iPhone 13 to ship with ISO 15 installed, not ISO 14. The upcoming software refresh isn't available to the public yet, but developers can use the ISO 15 beta now. Every year, Apple has its latest ISO ready to go for the launch of its latest iPhones, and there's no reason to suspect that will change this fall. Second, the release of 7 total iPhone 13 models doesn't add up. Most rumors to date suggest there will be 4 iPhone 13 models at the same iPhone 12 sizes: a 5.4-inch iPhone 13 mini, a 6.1-inch iPhone 13, a 6.1-inch iPhone 13 Pro, and a 6.7-inch iPhone 13 Pro Max. The additional 3 model numbers could apply to storage variations, but there will almost certainly be more storage variations than that across the lineup. Each of the 4 iPhone 13 sizes should have at least 3 storage options, making for 12 models. And that's before considering the chance of iPhone 13 will offer 1 terabyte storage. In other words, take the EEC filing with a grain of salt. We'd say it's more official than a Twitter leak or other internet rumors, but we're unable to locate the filing Apple Insider describes to confirm. Luckily for those itching for more credible iPhone 13 information, we're likely nearing production season, or the period where Apple manufactures the phone so it has inventory ahead of the release date. That means we could see more credible regulatory filings, accessories, marketing materials, or actual footage of the upcoming iPhone Surface online in coming months. What do you guys think about this? Will Apple be seriously releasing 7 models of the iPhone 13 series? Let us know in the comment section. Also, smash that like button if you really liked our today's video. And don't forget to subscribe to our gadgets-friendly channel, Gadgets Times.